Welcome back, beauty lovers. I'm so glad you've stopped by Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a lipstick that promises a soft, blurred matte finish without feeling heavy or drying, then you might want to stick around for this one. Today, we're looking at the M.A.C Powder Kiss lipstick in shade 927, Turn to the Left, an intense, rich brown that's been getting a lot of attention. This is a weightless, moisture matte formula designed to give your lips that soft focus, almost airbrushed effect. Unlike traditional mattes, which can feel stiff or drying, the Powder Kiss line is crafted to feel lightweight while still packing a punch in color. The lipstick comes in a compact 0.1-ounce bullet, perfect for carrying around, and M.A.C claims it offers buildable coverage, so you can go from a soft tint to full intensity depending on your mood. When I tried it out, I immediately noticed how smooth it glided over my lips. There's a subtle blurring effect that really softens the edges, giving a slightly diffused, modern matte look. It's not sticky, not drying, and feels almost like a creamy stain on your lips. One thing I love is that it layers beautifully. You can start with a light swipe for a muted, everyday look, or build it up for a bold statement lip. Longevity is decent. It lasts through light snacking and sipping, though like most creamy mattes, a meal or heavy drink will require a touch-up. The packaging is sleek and classic M.A.C, sturdy and professional looking, and the bullet itself is precise enough to allow careful application without a lip brush, though I always recommend one for exact lines with such an intense shade. Now for the pros. The formula is incredibly lightweight for a matte, it doesn't settle into fine lines, and the color payoff is gorgeous and buildable. It's a luxurious, modern matte that feels comfortable all day. On the flip side, it's not fully transfer-proof, so expect to reapply after eating. Also for some, the rich brown may feel a bit bold for everyday wear, though that's really personal preference. In terms of value, M.A.C products are positioned at a higher price point, but you're paying for a formula that genuinely balances comfort and color intensity, along with M.A.C's iconic brand reliability. Compared to other high-end mattes, Powder Kiss feels lighter and more forgiving on the lips, while mid-range brands often sacrifice longevity or texture. For a creamier matte that doesn't dry out your lips, this is definitely a contender. If you're considering alternatives for a more budget-friendly option, there are several drugstore brands offering soft matte formulas, but the silky, diffused finish and lightweight feel of M.A.C's Powder Kiss is harder to replicate at a lower price point. Overall, I'd recommend Turn to the Left for anyone who loves a bold, modern matte without the usual dryness that comes with it. It's especially great for brown and neutral makeup lovers who want a statement lip that still feels effortless. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how you wear it. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.